Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Have you seen this beauty there? This is a very nice succulent fresh salmon I bought from the shop. Okay, it's very long and big, as you can see here. So I'm going to cut them into pieces. So this is what I do. Some people, if you want to put that big salmon on the table, can just season all of it and put it on the table, but I just need just a bit of it, so I'm going to cut them and then I'll cook some of them. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to do a very nice spicy marinade for my salmon because I love spicy. You know, fish goes with spice, guys, so this is what I like. So I'll show you what I add to it and then we'll go on from there. So you are welcome to this channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. Just if you like what I'm doing, you can just give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel as well. So let's get started. So guys, I'm going to cut my fish. Okay, so first of all, cut the head. You need to use a sharp knife. Okay, that really goes to that side. So I'm trying to cut them into steaks. Okay, so that should be how I want it. Okay, so I'm going to cut similar portions. If you want it bigger, you can cut it much more bigger. So it depends on the portions that you like to cut them. It's quite easier to cook when it's quite really thinner portions. So look at that. That's a nice salmon steak. So I'm going to cut these. Okay, and then we will marinate them from there. Okay guys, so to make my spicy marinade, I have some red onions, I have some ginger, some garlic, and I'm adding Scotch bonnet and some spring onions, and I'm adding thyme as well. So I cut them. I'm going to blend these, so there's no need to just cut them nicely because I'm going to blend them in the blender. I'll cut my ginger. Just be careful that you don't cut your hand. Cut this just into small pieces. Okay, and I have my garlic. It makes it easier to blend when you cut them into small pieces, but there's no need to do this if you just put them in the blender and then it blends, but I prefer cutting them. So I'll put this in the blender And then I'm going to blend these with a bit of thyme. This is my dry thyme. Add about a tablespoon of thyme. Okay, and then we're going to marinate that with the salmon. So guys, these are my salmon steaks. Okay, so I'm going to marinate them. Okay, so I am going to first of all add some black pepper. I need more black pepper. Okay, so I need a spicy. You can see that I love black pepper. Right, so I've added some black pepper. Now I have my marinade here, the one I showed you. I've blended it. I blended it with oil, so that's why you have that look here. So I'm not adding any oil to it. So I'm going to put that on the fish, and I've added salt to taste, so you can add salt to this. I didn't add salt, just add the salt to the marinade. So I'm going to put that on each and try and massage it onto the fish. It's spicy though, so you need to be careful if you're using Scotch bonnet, but I've used it for a lot of times, so I am quite happy using my hands. So I'm spreading it on each of them, and I'll turn it and I'll spread it on the other side. Note there's a lot of the marinade on it, so I'll turn it on the other side as well, and I'll spread more of the marinade on the other side. Now what I'm going to do here, I don't want to cook all of them, so the best thing normally I do is to have a freezer bag, and so I put my fish in the freezer bag, okay, marinated already, and then I close that and then put that in the freezer, so when I need it I just pick it out of the freezer and just bake them. That's what I normally do if I'm not using all of it. So that's what I do. Right guys, so this is my spicy salmon steaks. I'm going to put that into the oven. I'll put some foil in just to help out with turning and cleaning, and I want to put some foil on it as well to help it cook nicely. So yeah, so that's it. So I'll put this into the oven. It's 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, and then yeah, we enjoy afterwards. So guys, this is our spicy salmon. It smells so good. Okay, it's delicious, and the ginger makes it so refreshing. I tell you, try this recipe and you will love it. I'm going to eat this spicy salmon, and I know that I'll love it. So if you like this recipe guys, do give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you will be notified. Thank you very much for watching. Yes, last of all, I think that I have to tell you that when you want it to brown a little, you have to take off the foil that you covered it with. You have to take it off so that it can brown a little bit and be much more crispy. Okay, thanks so much for watching. May God bless you. Bye.